Alrighty, YouTube. Here we have the first of 6 of these Casablanca New Orleans copies. There's the detailing the cast iron industrial motor on the top of the housing. I have it with the ball and socket it originally came with, so it's holding. Set of blades, this cane in it. I have the glass on it also. As you can see, these have these weird oblong shaped light bulbs. So yeah, we still haven't figured out what these are. I'm planning on taking one apart and actually looking at that motor inside there and seeing if there's anything on that. But yeah, either way, let's start with the lights. So you have all on. Which I actually really like these shades. They're really thick crystal. And they're very unique, so I like them. They look good on this fan. So this is all 5. The 4 outside ones, the 1 center one, and then all off. So that's kind of cool. One of the biggest differences I noticed between this and Casablanca, besides the motors, is that there is no scroll work on the center shaft. It's just plain. So it kind of takes the fun out of it, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's start this fan off on low. So high, medium, low. Try to get a better view of this thing. It's quite large and I don't have much room in this garage. There we go. That's the low speed, so it's a little fast on low. On low, with this industrial motor, we're drawing 0.46. We're going to go to medium. So see, medium's already pretty fast. Medium, we're drawing 0.62. Let's go to high speed. High speed. You can see this little thing literally hauls. Now granted, there's multiple things that could be allowing that. It does have shorter blades than I think what it's supposed to have, or the blades are not the same blades it's supposed to have. But yeah, this thing flies. On high, it draws 0.71 amps. Closer look at the flywheel, the blades. Here's the motor on the shaft. This one's not bad. This one's a little out of balance, as you can tell by the shade shaking, but this one's actually pretty good. Bearings all sound like they're in good shape. Runs fairly silent. The copper finish is actually in really good shape, which is nice. Like I said, we still don't know exactly what these are. It's kind of an unknown thing. I will say the nice thing I do like about this is it does have a metal flywheel. So yeah. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Another thing that's cool are these tassels, this red and yellow tassel. I've never seen a red tassel, so I don't know if these are original to the fan. I have seen, I think 3 of them have these tassels on them, but I've never seen a red tassel before, so I kind of wonder if that was original to the fan. Spin down is not much, but it does kind of stop sudden. Like I said, the bearings could use a little bit of oil, it seems like. There's a little bit of a breeze from the fan I have over here, so that might be contributing a little bit. Yeah, there's the first one. So we're going to take one apart coming up here soon and see if we can see anything on it. Thanks for watching.